Hello and welcome to PH Chemistry. Today's explainer is periods, the rows of the periodic table. By the end of this video, you'll know what changes across a period, what stays the same, and the trends you can use to predict behavior. A period is a horizontal row. Elements in the same period have the same number of electron shells. Period 1 elements have 1 shell, period 2 have 2 shells, period 3 have 3 shells, and so on. Across a period, the number of outer electrons increases from 1 to 8. Three things. 1. Same period means same shell count. 2. Across a period, outer electrons increase and elements shift from metallic on the left to non-metallic on the right. 3. Atomic radius generally decreases across a period because the same shells feel more proton pull. Common slip. Saying going across a period adds shells, it doesn't. Adding a shell means dropping to a new period. Across a period, you add electrons to the same outer shell, not new shells. Quick example, sodium and chlorine are both period 3, 3 shells each. Sodium has 1 outer electron, chlorine has 7. Their chemistry is wildly different, but their shell count is identical. That's a period in action. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.